let's check out these Lenovo LP40 earphones. By the way, I will actually leave a link where I actually got mine from, as you actually need to be very careful when you purchase these, as there are actually a lot of fakes for these. So I'll basically leave in the comments and description the link to the genuine. Also, you can see the price is actually really decent on them. So this is basically the Chinese version, intended for the Chinese market. So we have around 3.5 hours of runtime on a single battery charge. And this is what they look basically inside. Manual, charger cable, it uses Type-C. And also we have manual like this over here. You can see the specs over here. This is the part that you touch basically to control them. And these are the charger pins basically. The comfort actually is really good on these. I really like the comfort actually. And they stay in place in your ear, so you can easily run with these. And also they have microphone as well. The basically runtime is around 3.5 to maybe 4 hours. So something around 4 hours basically on single charge. And using the case, we can recharge it, I guess, around 2 or 3 times. So around extra 8 to 10 hours basically of runtime basically with the case, which is kind of cool. Also we have a small button over here on the back of it also. And they're also very easy to connect. And they also work with both Android phones and also iPhone, so I have used them on both. Work perfectly on both. Sound quality is actually fairly okay on these, considering the cheap price of it. Microphone maybe could be better, but still it's actually usable. This control is actually, it's not the best really, so it's like super sensitive actually, so I do not really like this control basically. So it's like it accidentally like bumps all the time. And yeah, definitely for the price, these costs is actually really decent. So decent build quality, very good comfort, sound quality is acceptable really. So yeah, no problems there. Microphone could be better and controls also could be better. Overall size actually very tiny, as you can see. So yeah, overall pretty cool. Again, I will leave a link where I actually purchase these. So these are actually genuine. Again, be actually careful when you purchase these. Anyway, good luck.